Emma had always dreamed of a space dedicated to her creativity. Tired of crafting at the kitchen table, she decided it was time to transform a spare room into the ultimate DIY craft space. She started by gathering inspiration colors, furniture, and storage ideas. With a plan in place, Emma rolled up her sleeves. First, she painted the walls a calming pastel blue to set the mood. Then, she installed pegboards, floating shelves, and labeled storage bins to organize her craft supplies. The transformation had begun. To make the space functional and stylish, Emma added a spacious work table with hidden storage. A cozy chair found its place by the window, while fairy lights and decor pieces gave the room a warm, inviting feel. Emma sat in her dream space, surrounded by her organized supplies. With a deep breath, she picked up a paintbrush and started her first masterpiece in her new craft room. It was more than just a space, it was her creative sanctuary.